Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Today we'll be making unpeeled Koose or Akara. Koose that we've not peeled the beans, okay? This is the first time I'll be showing you how to make unpeeled Koose or Akara in my channel. Thank you to all my subscribers. Please kindly subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Continue to share my videos and then like my videos as well. Let's get started. Adding my beans into the bowl. Okay, so I'll be using this much. Just use it according to your family size. This will even be more than enough for me. Time for me to add in my water. I'll add enough water, okay? Make sure to add more water into your beans, then cover it and allow it to sit for some time. So this is after 30 minutes and this is what we have. So I'll be washing off my beans properly, okay? Pouring off the water that I added first, and I'm going to use fresh water and make sure that my beans is more clean, okay? So after I clean or washed my beans, this is what we have. This is the result, okay? So as you can see, my beans is properly clean and I'm adding it back into the bowl. So this is the vegetables that I'll be using. I'll be using one habanero pepper, which is not compulsory, some red bell peppers, and then some onions, okay? So this is all that I'll be adding into my beans to blend. So as you can see, okay, as you can see, this time around I did not peel off the back of the beans, and this is more healthier than removing the skin of the beans, okay? But you can also choose to remove the peels of the beans, but this time around I chose to make it this way. Either ways you can get your Koose, okay? So time for me to beat my Koose. Make sure to beat your Koose very well. Beat it not less than 10 minutes to make sure it is all loosened. So after it is beaten, you can see that your Koose is light, okay? The only way you can get fluffy Koose is when you whisk your beans very well, or when you beat it very well, okay, for it to become lighter. I added salt into it, and time for me to add in an egg. I added one egg, which is not compulsory, okay, it is also optional. So I mix it, and time for me to add in my vegetables. I added some onions and then red bell pepper. So I'm going to mix that as well. Okay, so this is it, and it's time for us to fry our Koose or Akara. It's as simple as that. I must say this method is very easy, okay? This method of making Koose or Akara is the easiest because you don't need to blend and then remove the pulse, okay? That takes a longer time, but this is the most easiest and the most healthiest Koose as well. So as you can see, I've started frying my Koose, and time for me to be turning it one after the other. So guys, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for coming. I appreciate, and to my old subscribers, thank you so much. So guys, this is what we have. Our healthy Koose is ready. Thank you for watching again. Shalom, peace out.